What if I told you some of the geography facts you learned in school aren't just slightly wrong, they're completely misleading? The world map in your classroom, the globes you spun as a kid, the travel trivia you repeat confidently, much of it is outdated, oversimplified, or just flat out wrong. Today, we're exposing 50 geography facts you still believe and showing you what's actually true. Let's begin. Number 1. Africa is smaller than North America. It looks that way on most world maps, but in reality, Africa is massive. Thanks to the Mercator projection, Africa appears much smaller than it really is. In truth, Africa is large enough to fit the United States, China, India, Japan, and most of Europe inside it, with room to spare. Africa isn't small, it's enormous. Number 2. Greenland is huge. On the same maps, Greenland looks almost as big as Africa, but it isn't. Greenland is about 14 times smaller than Africa. Map projections stretch land near the poles, making places like Greenland look far bigger than they are. The map is distorting your perception. Number 3. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. Depends on how you measure it. Yes, Mount Everest is the highest above sea level, but measured from base to peak, Mauna Kea in Hawaii is taller. Most of Mauna Kea is underwater, but from ocean floor to summit, it exceeds Everest. Number 4. The Sahara is the largest desert. Wrong. The largest desert on Earth is Antarctica. Yes, Antarctica is technically a desert because it receives very little precipitation. Cold deserts count too. Number 5. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. This one refuses to die, but astronauts confirm you cannot see the Great Wall of China with the naked eye from space. It blends into the landscape. City lights at night? Yes. The wall? No. Number 6. The Amazon is the longest river. Many people believe it is. For decades, the title went to the Nile, but modern measurements show the Amazon River may actually be slightly longer than the Nile River. Even geographers still debate it. Number 7. Countries are fixed and permanent. Borders change all the time. The map you know today didn't exist 50 years ago and won't exist 50 years from now. Countries split, merge, rename. Maps are snapshots in time. Number 8. Russia is mostly European. Actually, about 77% of Russia is in Asia. Most of its landmass lies east of the Ural Mountains. Russia is more Asian than European, geographically speaking. Number 9. The equator is the hottest place on Earth. Not necessarily. Some of the hottest places on Earth are actually in subtropical deserts. Places like Death Valley and parts of the Sahara can be hotter than equatorial regions. The equator is humid. Deserts are scorching. Number 10. The Pacific Ocean is peaceful. The name comes from explorer Ferdinand Magellan, who experienced calm waters. But the Pacific Ocean is home to the Ring of Fire, the most volcanically active region on Earth. It's anything but peaceful. Number 11. Australia is a small island. It's actually classified as a continent. The country of Australia sits on the Australian continent. It's the smallest continent, but not an island. Number 12. The Middle East is a continent. It isn't. The Middle East is a political term, not a geographical continent. Most of those countries are in Western Asia. Number 13. The United States has 50 states, and that's final. There are 50 states, yes, but territories like Puerto Rico exist and sometimes debate statehood. Maps can evolve. Number 14. Europe is a separate continent. Geographically, Europe and Asia form one continuous landmass, Eurasia. Europe is defined more by culture and history than strict geography. Number 15. The North Pole is land. It's not. The North Pole sits on floating sea ice over the Arctic Ocean. There's no solid ground beneath it. Number 16. All rivers flow south. Gravity determines flow, not direction. The Nile flows north. So do many other rivers. Rivers flow downhill, wherever downhill is. Number 17. The Earth is closest to the Sun in summer. Nope. The Earth is actually closest to the Sun in early January. Seasons are caused by axial tilt, not distance. Number 18. The Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen. This statistic is exaggerated. Most of the oxygen produced by the Amazon is consumed by organisms within the forest itself. It's important, but not the planet's lungs in the way people think. Number 19. China is the most populated country. Not anymore. As of recent estimates, India has surpassed China in population. The rankings shift. Number 20. Africa is one country. It's not. Africa has 50+ countries. It is the most diverse continent on Earth.